Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisa from InCred Equities. Nifty had one of the best trading session in years. In fact, it's been told that since 2021, Nifty clocked the best intraday gains yesterday. Same was the case for Bank Nifty. There was tremendous upside, strong momentum that was witnessed across indices. Many of the sectoral indices were up. Broader market indices were also very strong. Many of the stocks added 4%, 5% across. So all in all, it was a very successful trading session, and many of the critical relations areas were decimated, and that was actually very interesting. If you look at the call writers, they were caught off guard, 24,500 especially. The kind of resistances it had proved to be, and we have seen a couple of times reversal happening from this particular area. This resulted in a boost of sentiment for option writers. And once Nifty sustained 24,500 levels, there was no looking back. Call writers were forced to cover the positions. Nifty almost touched upon 24,900 levels. Nifty futures were seen crossing 25,000 mark. Nifty closed near the high point of the day. It's with very strong candle. The previous swing high that was not only taken but comfortably closed above that as well. If you talk about RSI, yes, there's still divergence sort of coming in. That would try to put some clamp on the bulls. Let us see how that pans out. US markets today were extremely strong, 3%, 3.5% up towards the end of trading session. Again, they also closed near the high point of the day. What is interesting is also the address by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the nation, where he made few important statements. I would not delve too much into that because the only thing that would impact the markets is the statement that he made that it's not the end of the war. We have halted the assault for the time being, and it depends on how the Pakistan reacts going forward. The Indus Water Treaty would not be followed. So these are the statements, and this basically shows that if there's any escalation coming from the Pakistan side, India will retaliate with even more brutal force. So that basically means that if there is a ceasefire violation happening, which there were reports of that happening, there were certain drones that were downed by the Indian forces. And if that continues, we may see some more escalation happening. Maybe that is the reason why, even after a stupendous upside in the US markets, GIFT Nifty is showing a 150 points cut as we speak. So, in all likelihood, we'll open a gap down on a negative note. Uh, till the time Nifty sustains 24,800 spot, we may see further upside sort of coming in. A close below 24,800 will result in further correction. It will not be a massive fall as such, but at this point, some profit booking and time correction is what one can expect. For today, avoid buying or selling right away. Let us see how Nifty pans out in the first half an hour and then take a call. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.